Good morning. For our at-home activity today, I've got a really fun activity for you guys. It's making your own watercolors. And all you need to do this is a cup of water and some markers. So what you're going to do is you're just going to get a cup of water and fill it up. You know, it can be any kind of container. I just used glass so that you guys could see it really well. And you're going to put a little bit of water in it. The more water you put, the lighter the color will be. So if you're using a lighter color like yellow or one of those neon greens like this one, you'll want to use less water. And then you stick your marker in there. I left these overnight, and that was plenty of time. You actually can start seeing it within about 30 minutes. So if you wanted to put the markers in the morning and then paint in the afternoon with them, that would be great. So yeah, you just leave your marker in there for a while. If you have two of the same color marker, that's just going to make the water darker, which is great. So then you're going to get your blank paper and let your child get to painting. So you can use a paintbrush, or I sometimes, if I don't have a paintbrush around, will use like an old toothbrush that I have. So here we go. Let's try it. Let's try the toothbrush first. Ooh, I got pink. Okay, now let me try the paintbrush, see if that works. So pretty. Okay, now, you can also do this on the sidewalk if you have like a driveway area. The markers are washable, so next time the rain comes, it'll just wash the color right off. So hope you guys enjoy your homemade watercolors and that your kids will make some beautiful art with it. See you guys tomorrow.